In a small village nestled amidst the rolling hills, a young artist named Tim lived. His world was filled with vibrant colors and endless possibilities, all of which he painted onto his canvases. But Tim's most treasured possession was a simple, old brush that had been passed down through generations in his family. One day, Tim noticed that his beloved brush was starting to lose its bristles. He worried that it might be beyond repair. He decided to seek help from the village's wise elder, a woman named Martha, who was known for her wisdom and knowledge of all things creative. Martha listened to Tim's concerns and, after a thoughtful pause, she smiled and said, "Fear not, young artist. A brush can lose its bristles, but it does not lose its spirit." Intrigued, Tim asked Martha, "But how can a brush have a spirit, Martha? Isn't it just a tool?" Martha chuckled warmly, "Ah, Tim, my dear, there is more to a brush than meets the eye. A brush is not just a tool, but a conduit for expression. It carries the artist's soul and transfers it onto the canvas." Tim pondered Martha's words as he walked back to his home. He picked up his worn-out brush and looked at it with newfound appreciation. He realized that his brush was more than just a tool, it was a partner in his creative journey. As he worked on his next painting, Tim felt a renewed sense of purpose. He experimented with different techniques, exploring the unique patterns that the worn-out bristles created. He found beauty in the imperfections and began to see his brush in a whole new light. The villagers admired the transformation in Tim's art. They marveled at the expressive strokes and the depth of emotion in his work. Tim's art had become even more vibrant and alive, a testament to the spirit of his beloved brush. One day, a traveling artist visited the village. He was a renowned master, known for his intricate and precise paintings. When he saw Tim's work, he was taken aback. He approached Tim and asked, "Who taught you to paint like this?" Tim smiled, "Martha, the village elder, taught me the true essence of art. She showed me that a brush is not just a tool, but a partner in our creative journey." The traveling artist was moved by Tim's words. He asked Tim to show him his brush. As Tim handed it over, the master artist was silent for a moment. Then, with a twinkle in his eye, he said, "I've been searching for a brush like this for years. Your brush has a spirit, Tim. It's alive with potential, just like you." Tim looked at his brush with new admiration. He realized that his brush had taught him a valuable lesson, that every tool, no matter how simple, can hold a unique spirit that can inspire and transform. And with that, Tim continued to paint, finding beauty in the journey and in the brush that had become an integral part of his creative soul.